You clicked on this video because you wanted a better core workout for motocross, and I'm gonna give it to you. Let's go.
Now the first exercise is gonna be a straight leg sit-up. Each exercise that we talk about in today's video is gonna come with a standard option, a regression, something that's easier, and a progression, which is something that is harder. So pick whichever version is right for you. So what you're seeing right now is the standard version of the straight leg sit-up. What you really want to be focusing on is peeling the vertebrae off the ground and really rounding your back. Now the regression is more of a straight leg crunch. Here, all you're focusing on is raising your shoulder blades up off the mat or off the ground and really feeling those abs turn on. Now if that's super easy and you want something a little more difficult, you can do a straight leg sit-up with a weight. So you'll notice here, my arms are always pointed straight up at the ceiling, and all I'm doing is sitting up and pushing that weight up towards the ceiling. At the end, I end in an L, sort of an L sit.
Now, one last really important tip: if you mess this part of the exercise up, the whole exercise will fall apart. As you get to the top of your straight leg sit-up, extend your pointer finger and push the like button on this video. Got him.
Now the next exercise is going to be a decline reverse crunch. What you're feeling with this exercise is you're trying to bring your knees up to your chest, your lower back and your butt should come off the bench just a little bit, and you should really feel this one in the lower abs more than anywhere else. Now the regression to this exercise is going to be just take away the decline. Now the progression for this exercise, if you want something a little tougher, is going to be take it vertical. The number one thing that people don't understand, they always say, why can't I stop swinging? I hate this exercise, I can't stop swinging, is because you're letting your legs drop. Your legs dropping is what's generating the force for the swing, not raising your legs. Now the next exercise is going to be targeting our obliques, and that is a side plank. When performing side plank, it's extremely important to make sure that your hips are actually pushed in or extended in line with your body. The regression to a side plank is going to be adding in some side bends. Now the way that we're going to progress this exercise is we're going to add weight to the top hip in the form of a dumbbell or a plate. Now the last ab exercise in our motocross core workout is going to be an ab rollout. Now the ab wheel rollout is actually challenging enough that I don't think I want to give you any progressions. I want to give you two different regressions so that you can work your way up to doing a full rep. So the first variation, the first regression is going to be the hands walkout. So you're going to start on your hands and knees, and all you're going to do is you're going to walk your hands away from your body until you feel your core kick on, and then you're just going to walk them back. Once you have that movement mastered, you can grab the ab wheel and just focus on partial range of motion. So you're going to roll out maybe 2 to 3 feet right until you feel like you're at the point of no return, or almost where you feel like you're going to get stuck, and then bring it back from there. This is where we can set ourselves up with good habits so that we're not arching our back or letting our belly sag. Then finally, we move on to the full ab wheel rollout. Now it's really important to set your posture before you begin the rep. So right before I go, I flex my abs, I almost slightly round my back so that when I go out, if anything, it evens me out instead of forcing my belly to sag or letting my spine get a little bit arched to it. And one little bonus regression, if you don't actually have an ab wheel, but you have access to a set of TRX bands, this can function as an ab wheel. All you do is you stand underneath the bar or wherever it's attached, and then you make the ab wheel motion just with the TRX bands.
Now when you put all 4 of these exercises together, make sure you actually are pushing yourself. If 12 reps is not enough, do 15. If 15 is not enough, add some extra weight, do some extra reps, go for a little longer time. You have to push yourself if you want to get stronger and better for the dirt bike. Subscribe to the channel, click like on the video. See you guys in the next one.